And Jammu and Kashmir, the name you mentioned just earlier, it is very famous in Bangladesh. So many Bangladesh people want to visit Jammu and Kashmir, and they know Jammu or Kashmir as a heaven of the earth. And you from that part of India, right? So you are a lucky person. So you can visit Jammu and Kashmir easily, as it is very close to your place, close to your village.
Okay, okay. So now would you like to tell something about yourself?
Yes, definitely. What kind of question do you have about myself? You can ask me anytime post questions.
Okay, introduce yourself.
My name is Shaklain, bro. My name is Shaklain, and I am a registered nurse here in Bangladesh. And I am an English learner. I would like to communicating, and I would like to meeting with different kinds of people, different types of people. And my main hobby is to talking with other people, sharing my thought and experience with other people, and get some information, get some knowledge from other people. Yeah, that's all about my simple introductions. What about you?
Okay, now can I introduce myself in front of you?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, my name is Lavish Tamar. I am from Uttarakhand and I study in 6th class. If we talk about my hobby is to playing cricket and learning English. Apart from this, I want to become a singer. And there are 7 members in my family. I belong to a farming family, middle class family. So this is something about myself.
Wow, that sounds great. So, you just told me that you want to become a singer. So, can you sing right now, please? I want to hear your one song.
No, no, right now I don't know, but when I don't know right now.
There is no problem, bro, because you want to be a singer, and as well as you told me that you have a passionate about learning English language. So, as you want to learn English language, you are practicing here with mine. But as you want to become a singer, you must have to practice singing with other people, singing in front of other people. So let's start from today. Don't be hesitant, bro. Please start singing. There is no problem. I'm not going to laugh because you that is your dream. And in order to fulfill your dream, you must have to practice. Without practice, there is nothing possible. You know?
Yes, I know, but
Yes.
I told you that right now I don't know any song.
So right now you cannot remember any song, but I want you to remember one song, which is uh which is do you know about